And on the Chrysler yesterday when I decided to knock off, and today I'm going to go under this one last time and I'm going to give it another half a turn and then we're going to try that. Sometimes I just need to get my eyeballs to focus because I'm an old man, and to get this to come in I would turn it this way to get it to go out. I'm going to turn it that way, I do believe. I'm just going to take this a half turn and then I'm going to tighten it back up. Alright, let's take that out and give it a ride. Let's see what we think. I believe that's either going to be just right or just a little too much, because it seemed like it was very close to being just right yesterday. Now I can see that I've got a glob of grease on my lens here. That's going to take a little clean up. Probably ain't really good for it. I think this camera has a cover over the lens, though, so that it keeps you from damaging the lens quite as easily as would on some cameras. Well, more about that here in a second, I guess.